time to check my fudging phone. Now that I unlocked my phone, I'm going to see what the fudge is going on in the world. Wait, what's this important notification? What the fudge? My mobile phone is having an emergency alert. This is making so mad. My phone needs to face my teeth. Face it. This stupid dumb but emergency alert system on my phone needs to fudge off before I sue this in court. Who could that be at the door? What do you two stupid people want? Can't you see that I'm trying to have my yelling session over my emergency alert phone?
Well, Mr. Teeth Man with a red face that looks like my husband, my friend Tegan here heard you shouting so loud about your phone having an emergency alert.
Yeah. You really scared the poop out of me.
Oh boo-hoo-hoo, go cry about it, you stupid beach.
Hey! Don't be rude to my friend Tegan.
So, my teeth clone, you think it's acceptable to shout at the top of your voice, all because of your emergency alert on your phone? Seriously, lighten up. You do not need to take any action about this emergency alert system on your phone. Shut up, copycat man who is wearing the same clothes as me. Take them off, or face my teeth, face it. I don't think so. These are the clothes that I always wear for my animation channel, and you know that perfectly well, you red-faced man that looks like a big fat tomato.
Good one, Joe.
Yeah, Joe, you totally roasted him.
What do you think I'll get up to next? Find out next time on the adventures of